Let's try. Alright. Yeah, it's done. It's done. The car is done.
Dude, I only had this shit for 5 or 6 months, bro. The clutch is already done, bro.
That shit literally just went, huh? What?
Oh my god, bro.
Oh my god.
Well, there you go.
There you go.
The cord is down. So, we're gonna start off the video, YouTube. I'm driving the car right now. This is from the last video, so what's up, everybody? I know you guys seen the last clip of the last video where the car was, you know, tripping, you know what I'm saying? Like, I told you the clutch might be bad. So today we're gonna see if that theory is true or not. So right now I'm just heading to work, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna drive it around, do a few pulls here and there. Make sure the car, you know, ain't slipping. If it starts slipping, then I know I have clutch issues, you know what I'm saying? Hopefully I don't, because I don't really want to go through taking the trans off again. You know what I'm saying? I already took the trans off so many times already. I ain't trying to do that. I ain't beef for that, you know what I'm saying? But it is what it is, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes things happen, and they happen for a reason. So if this happened, it's because something bigger is going to happen later on, and it's going to be a positive thing. So this little negative thing will turn out to be a positive thing. So I ain't even mad. Today is Sunday for, look at this guy, bro. Today is Sunday for me, so my last day at work. Tomorrow I'm off, finally. So you guys are probably gonna see this on maybe a Wednesday, if not Thursday. Not even sure. I think I have 2 videos. So yeah, maybe Thursday you probably see this video. But yeah, hopefully we get this car situated so I can get this car back in track. I really do want to do quarter-mile times, race people and all that. But if this car's gonna be acting up, it make no sense to do any of that. All right, so we about to beat. Check a couple pulls. Pulls on the car real quick. With traction control on still, and I have my AC on, so we're gonna see how it does. If it pulls good enough, then I know we're chilling. Our clutch is fine. So let's go on the highway in Mexico real quick, and then we'll go ahead and do some POV pulls real quick. Remember, this is with traction control on, so it might hesitate a little bit, you know what I'm saying, because the wheels might spin. See, I have the AC on and all that, and the car's pulling fine. It's not like yesterday, like yesterday the car was like not trying to go anywhere. Like it was just stuck. Like no matter how much I pressed the gas pedal, the car was just like it was slipping on ice. So when your car feels like it's slipping on ice, that means your clutch is, you know, it's done. You know what I'm saying? Your clutch is slipping. So right now it doesn't feel like that. It feels fine for now. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, I'm gonna put it to the test today. Like this video is gonna be putting the Accord to the test. I'm gonna do burnout. I'm gonna try to do my quarter-mile time again, get it done. I'm gonna put this car to the test today. So this car is gonna be see if the clutch is good or not. We're gonna find out today, yes or yes. I ain't beat. Because if I'm gonna keep working on this car, I need to know that the clutch is fine. You know what I'm saying? I'm not trying to do this clutch job again. So yeah, this is today will basically declare if I continue with the build or don't continue with the build. So we'll see what happens.
You know what I'm saying? Light turn green, man. I already got traction control completely off. Light bar turn green. Alright, what's up YouTube? This is gonna be the end of this video, and I apologize for you guys. I didn't get to do no quarter-mile time for you guys and update for it because my clutch is acting up. As you can see, that it was slipping. It's acting weird. I don't know what's going on, but it's gonna be for our next video. I'll try to see if I could review it or whatever, or keep doing pulls and see what happens, and I'll update you guys eventually about my clutch. But for now being, I hope you guys can like this video. Stay tuned for more by sharing my videos. You help me grow even more, and that's the goal. I want to keep growing so I can continue to make videos for you guys, keep growing, and just producing more content for you guys. So just make sure you like the video down below. Stay tuned, share all social medias, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.